currently working on a research vessel as a science communication fellow, so come along for my day at sea. We are currently mapping the seafloor off of Howland and Baker, two uninhabited islands in the Pacific, which means I'm really close to the dateline and not next to the US, but a lot of the things I do are interacting with different schools in the United States, so I kind of operate on Eastern Time even though we are very much not on Eastern Time. Kicking things off at 6 a.m. today, a little bit later, with a high school in North Carolina. This ship, EV Nautilus, is really focused on outreach and education and inspiring a love of the ocean, so they have a really great studio setup that allows us to talk to students and do that. A little peek at my schedule for the rest of the day, take a Polaroid picture, because I'm taking actually a Polaroid picture a day aboard the expedition, and we kick things off with 2 back-to-back calls with different members of our seafloor mapping team. 7:30 is breakfast aboard the ship, so a quick break for a meal, and then back up to the studio to do a call with a university class this time. I go straight from this into a meeting with the education and outreach team on shore, take a quick break, and then it's back to the studio for one more call. Pause to post on the Nautilus Instagram stories, and then we finish the last ship to shore of the day. Now the weather is starting to look not amazing out, but it's time to start our second live event of the expedition, which allows people online to ask questions of our scientists. And welcome everyone to the second official live Q&A with our amazing science team. Spoiler, that weather did make us lose connection for a bit in the middle, which meant I uploaded all of the files from the event so that hopefully people can watch it after the fact. I grabbed a quick lunch while watching the rain and wrote our schedule of ship to shores so people can sign up for our events tomorrow. Then it was time for a quick science presentation from our seafloor mapping intern, Diego. Now, tomorrow is an event that I've been looking forward to for a while. It's actually, we're going to connect with the International Space Station, so we had a dress rehearsal and prepped some stuff for that. Because of that space event, I have a super weird schedule tomorrow, so right after dinner at 5, it was time for bed. I closed my window to try to block out as much light as I could, took a break for myself to play some Switch, and then it was time for sleep.